Hi, my name is Chris Konkle. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about helping you master construction so you can become an industry leader. I got some drywall tips for you guys. Stay tuned. So we don't have a circle cutter, so I'm going to show you a trick with a drywall tab to draw a circle. We have a 2.5 inch pipe to cut. So what I'm going to do, what you need is a tab, a piece of a tab, a screw, 1.25 inch screw, and of course your knife and stuff, right? Okay, take my tape, and I'm going to measure half of a 2.5, right? So 1.25 inches. Right there. 1.25 inches, right? 1.25 inches, 1.25 inches, 2.5. Make sure you got that right. Okay. And then it's simple as just putting the tab like so in the middle. Oop. Go into your mark. Take your carpenter's pencil, stick it in the hole. Oh. Shit, 1 second here, guys. It's not turning very well. It got moist overnight. So yeah, as simple as it is. That's it. So simple as that. Score it with your knife. Take your keyhole saw. Measure hole. Voila. Okay, so the Helly Hansen pocket pants, I call them. They're available at Mark's Work Warehouse. I know here in Canada. I can holster my drill and have 2 different screws while screwing off. Sometimes it's nice to shed your pouch and lighten the load a little bit. So these pants are the pants that do that, right? So, you know, I like to wear them on light duty days. So days when I'm screwing off or days when I'm cutting. My rasp just fits down here on the side. My knife I just keep open and I put it in, you know, backwards. You gotta watch when you're bending over, it doesn't stab you in the belly. But my pencil, that's funny, where'd my pencil go? Tape goes in this side. I usually have a pencil right in here. Oh, it is here, it's just short now. Pencil, but yeah, it's pretty cool. They got your under pockets, 2 fold-out pockets with all the little tiny doodad things there, which I don't really use. But same thing, you know, you got 2 side pockets, and then you got the Velcro belt loops where you can attach to other pouches and stuff too, which is kind of neat. So yeah, that's the light duty Helly Hansen pocket pants. It also works when you have your pouch because you got 2 extra screw pockets. I got my 1.25 inch self tappers in here. I got my 1.25 inch regulars in here. Got my 1 7/8 here, and of course my fatties right here. So yeah, I want to show you how to use these too. So these are board-to-board screws, laminating screws. You see the difference? They're fatter and coarser. They cost about $100 a box, so they're more than double the price of a regular screw. So you find somewhere in the field, and you can watch. I'm gonna torque it in like that. You see that? So this kind of screw, you can't have your gun locked off. You gotta like torque it in like this. Watch, just listen to it. Like that, you see? And you gotta go kind of on an angle and snap it in. So yeah, that's how you use fatties. That's the board-to-board laminating screw, Fat Boys. I just call them fatties. And yeah, that's how you laminate board-to-board when you don't have backing. But yeah, it's very handy. You have to have it when you're doing double layer, so because there's always spots where you need them.